In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store errors. For example, Microsoft Store not opening error or probably downloading apps error. I'll show you how to fix all those. So at first, just minimize this. Now I have a notepad list of what we need to do. At first, we need to go ahead and check our date and time. So just go to our date and time at the bottom right click on it and click on adjust time and date. From here, make sure to turn on set time zone automatically and make sure your time zone and region is set to the proper one. Also make sure to click on sync now. This will sync your time and date for you automatically. And after that has been done and after you have ensured that you have the proper date and time, let's go to the next step. So open the list again. Next is check storage. So just go to your disk PC, just open up your disk PC. And from here, just make sure your local disk C has enough space. If it does, you can move to the next step. But if it does not have enough space, if you see red over here, the bar, then you must clear your space first before downloading more apps from Microsoft Store. And that will fix your problem for you. But if that's not the case, what you can do is just go ahead and follow the third step, which is check services. So just minimize this and go to your search and search for services. Then from the best matches, just open up services from system. And in here, we need to search for Microsoft Store installer. So just search for it. And you will find something like this. Microsoft Store install service. Just right click on it. Click on properties. Then make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then just stop the app and click on start. Click on apply. Click on OK. Or you can just right click over here and click on restart. And this is going to restart Microsoft Store install service for you. And close this. After that, your Microsoft Store should work. But if still doesn't work, what you have to do is just go ahead and follow our fourth step, which is WS reset. This basically resets Microsoft Store cache. And how to do it? Just go to your search and search for CMD. Run it as administrator. Give it the permission if it wants it. Then from here, you just need to type WS reset over here. And after you have done that, just click enter. It's going to reset Microsoft Store and open it for you. But if that doesn't fix it for you, you just move to the last step, which is reset the Microsoft Store app. And to do this, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Microsoft Store. Then just right click on it. Then just click on app settings. And from app settings, you can scroll down a bit. Make sure background component permission is set to always. And after that, scroll down a bit and under terminate, immediately terminate this component and just click on this. This will terminate Microsoft Store immediately for you. And if that doesn't work, go under reset and click on repair. If any system component is broken, this is going to repair it for you. But even after that, if your Microsoft Store is not working, what you need to do is simply go ahead and reset the data of Microsoft Store. To do this, just simply click on reset. And this is going to reset all the data of this Microsoft Store component. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and hopefully your Microsoft Store should be working. And basically, that is how to fix errors like not downloading or not opening Microsoft Stores on your Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.